everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am here to share my Kangen water experience. I am Dr. Reena. I have worked for around 12 years as a hospital administrator, out of which 4 years I was associated with the clinics specialized in anti-aging, detoxification and various non-invasive treatments. Around 10 months back, I came to know about the Kangen water through one of my friends. Initially, I was skeptical about it. Then slowly, I started exploring it by reading various articles, books, where world's topmost doctors have mentioned about this water. I've gone through testimonial, various study materials, and I even met people, those who were using Kangen water. So while doing all this, a question raised in my mind. When we talk about health, immunity, we all discuss various factors like exercise, diet, our habit, our lifestyle, sleeping patterns, and even water. We all know that we should drink sufficient amount of water, 8 to 10 glasses of water. But how many of us really talks about the quality of water? I guess no one. So that's the time when I had decided to get my drinking water tested for its quality. To my surprise, though it was filter water, safe to drink water, clean water, but it was not as healthy as it should be. So why we call that Jal Hi Jeevan Hai? There is a reason behind it. Our body is made up of around 60 to 70% of water. Water plays a very important role in our life. So what water does exactly? Water acts as a transportation channel in our body. It supplies important nutrients and oxygen to each and every cells to our body. It throws out all the toxins out of our body. It keeps our body hydrated so that our body can function optimally. It provides an environment to our body so that our body can maintain its health and its immunity. So the Kangen water has all these properties. It provides us a water of the correct pH. It provides a structured and microclustered water which can get absorbed in our body immediately and optimally, which eventually helps in detoxification of our body and keeping our body hydrated. So what this Kangen machine does, it simply converts our tap water into Kangen water through natural electrolysis process without adding any chemicals. That is its best part. So I am using this water since last 4 months and I am really happy that I have this machine, this medical device in my house for my health and my family health. Because according to me, in true sense, a real wealth is our health. So guys, pause, think that is your water healthy, and if not, take a call and go for it. Thank you.